Hi guys, it's Inga and I am doing meal prep. This is chicken and rice, and normally people see white rice or yellow rice with chicken and rice, but this is black rice with chicken and I love it. Well, I made a big pot of it because just in case my family wants to try some. My niece, I think she likes it. My parents, not so much. They don't like the black rice. They're hooked on the white rice, but I prefer the black rice, and that's how it is. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to share, like, and subscribe. Peace and blessings.